Hi friends, today we are installing commercial solar water heater at this beautiful apartment complex. I am from Dhamani Associates, Bengaluru. We majorly deal with VGuard brand. VGuard solar water heaters, heat pump water heaters, pressure pumps and circulation pump, solar power solutions. In solar water heaters we have evacuated tube collector model for the domestic and commercial applications, and even the pressurized flat plate collector model also. Higher capacity commercial models are made to suit custom made as per the height requirement, place availability, water condition. We will take the necessary technical details, site survey, and then design the tank and panel installation criteria. Generally in this type of high-rise buildings we recommend to go with split units for 500 liter into 4, 1000 liter into 2. When we use single higher capacity tank, lifting the material to the top of the building itself is the biggest task. These kind of higher capacity solar water heaters are majorly used in hotels, commercial buildings, party halls, chowdhuries, and swimming pool heating, etc. Nowadays we have commercial heat pump ranges also, where there is a space constraint to install solar water heaters. We can go with heat pump. In heat pump water heaters, major advantages: we can control the temperature for pool heating and all. With heat pump water heater we can do the timer control operations also. If you are looking for any hot water solutions for your PGs, hotels, guest house, please call us.